In the previous tutorial, we talked about how to convert text to speech, how to import your sounds to PowerPoint, how to import your images, and how to align your text. Now, in this particular tutorial, we'll be talking about how to add animations to each of your photos, the text, and the sound. Now, to do that, all we need to do is let's start the animation from the sound. Okay, this is my sound, the one I have earlier. So, okay, there's the sound. So under my animation, all you need to do under the menu bar, will goes to the animation menu. From the animation menu, I will add animation to this sound called play. The name of the animation is play. Now we can come to this side. We change this animation to start with previous. Now start with previous. The next animation should be the text. Okay, this is the text. I can come to the side, go to more entrance animation. From more entrance animation, I can use whip or flip. These are the best animation I like. Okay, let's use flip for this tutorial. Okay, let's go for flip. So I can set it to play with previous. Then from there, I go to settings. I can make it to delay for 1 second. So the timing, I can make it to delay for 1 second. Okay. So if we preview, it should be something like this.
Everybody has reasons to celebrate a particular day in any month, but I choose to celebrate 9th of May as it's the day JOEMONA was born. On her birthday, I thought of giving her the cutest gift in the world, but then I realized.
Okay, so that's that. So the next thing we want to do is to animate each of this image. I think we should start with this. No, we should start with this. Let's move this ones away. Okay. So this is it. Let's start with this. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so starting with this one, to add animation, the first animation I want to add to this one should be the let's use appear. You can use any one though. Okay, so let's go for appear. We can make appear to start with previous. Okay, so the next one we want to do is to add a different animation to this particular image. Now there are two basic type of animation you can use, though there are many of them. There are many kind of animations. The effects, there are many kind of effects, but the two I use mostly is either the entrance or the exit effect. Now, to add an exit effect, you can just come to the side and click on exit. Instead, it will override this entrance. So what we should do is to click on add animation and go to exit. We can decide to use shape and make it to play with previous. So once it's playing with previous, you can make the time to be 5 seconds. The 5 seconds means in the next 5 seconds after this entrance, the next 5 seconds, this exit will take effect. So it means after 5 seconds, this picture will disappear. So we can confirm it to say the picture came in. After 5 seconds, it goes out. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want another picture to come in. That is, every 5 seconds, a new picture will be coming in. Every 5 seconds, a new picture will be coming in. So, okay, let's go for this particular image. Okay. So we're going for this. Let's make it bigger. Okay. So this one, we can add which animation did we use earlier? We use shape. So we can add animation shape. So once we add shape to it again, so this time we have animation shape. We can actually make it to play with previous as well. Then add a new animation. And this time it should be the exits. We can use wipe, play with previous, make it to play with previous, make it to play with previous, then set the this thing from 5 to 10. So it's all about 5, 10, 15, 20. It means in the next 5 seconds after this one goes out, this one will go out as well. So if we should preview, you should see it. It will be something like this. Okay. It comes out. This comes in. Okay, now it goes out. So we can just pause the preview. Okay, so we'll go for our next image. I think we should go for this. Okay, make it bigger as well. Okay, so we use we use wipe. So we can add wipe as a new animation and add an animation. Then this time we can use split. Let's make the wipes play with previous, make the exit to play with previous, and this time we're making it 15. So this time we don't need to preview because we know what we're expecting already. So we should go for the next picture now, which is this. So we can make it large. We'll make it large. Okay. We can make it large and bring it here. We can add animation. We can actually use anything. So let's add split. Make it to play with previous. Add a new animation. This time exit. Okay. So let's use wipes. Make it play with previous. And 20. Okay. So now we can make this one to play with previous also. We can use anything. Let's add wipes. Okay, make it play with previous. Add an animation. Okay, let's use wipes. Okay. So I guess you know what I want to do. Play with previous and this time 25. Okay. So once you're done with that, we can preview everything we've done. So let's preview.
Everybody has reasons to celebrate a particular day in any month, but I choose to celebrate 9th of May as it's the day Joy Alabama was born. On her birthday, I thought of giving her the cutest gift in the world, but then I realize it not possible because she herself is the cutest gift to the world. This day is as special to me as it is to her, because on this day, so many precious years ago, one of the loveliest human being in the history of man.
Okay, so that's it. We used just 5 photos, remember? So we can actually align our photos if we don't like the way they are being. Okay, you can see. So I have this like this now, and this like this, and like this. So okay. Okay, so I think I like the arrangement of the photos. So that's just all about animation. In the next video, we'll be teaching you on how to export from PowerPoint to a video format that you can send to your friend. Thank you for following us this far. If you follow us this far, I think we should appreciate you. We should give you a hand clap for coming with us this far. So this hand clap is for you. So please don't forget to watch the next video. The video showing on your screen now will teach you on how to export this video from Microsoft PowerPoint document to a video format. Okay, thank you. You can click on the video right now.